The first step in packaging or placing a lesson into Blackboard is to package the lesson. So we've gone to File and selected Package Lesson. We want to choose Standard Zip and Score Tracking of None. It will store the package in the folder that the lesson is located in and will always be called the lesson name.zip. We click OK. We could then close the SoftChalk program. Once we quit SoftChalk, we then enter Blackboard. I'm going to enter as an instructor. I'll then log in. We then want to pick the course we would like to put the lesson in, and then go to the course management and click on the triangle to the right of the course content. We're going to create a folder to place this zip package in. So we click on Create Folder and then enter a name. We then click on Submit and then enter that folder. We now want to upload our zip package. Notice we are in the folder we've just created. So we're going to click on Upload Package. We then click on the Choose File button and navigate to where that folder or that zip package was stored. So we'll click on Choose File and then navigate to where our lesson zip package was stored. Once we find the folder, we then open that folder and look for the zip package. Remember, it's always the lesson name.zip. We then click on Choose, or we choose that particular zip package. We leave the setting for the encoding alone and we click on Submit. This is going to do several things. It's going to unpackage that zip folder or zip package and then show us all of the content. From here, we could just enter into our content area of the course we're into. We're now ready to build our content from an item. So we choose the Build Content and Item. We then enter a name for the item. We'll then scroll down because this is where we're going to go to our Attachments area and we're going to select the Browse Course button. We then want to enter the folder that we created previously, and in my example it was quadratics, so I'll click on the name. We then scroll down that list and we're always looking for the index.html. We click on the checkbox to select it and then we submit. Once we submit the lesson, we're then able to title that particular package, and I'm going to call it Click to Start the Lesson. We want to make sure that we're giving users access to all of the files in the folder and then our other options. We then click Submit. We've just placed that lesson into Blackboard. Students can then click on the Start or the Click to Start Lesson button. I'm going to turn off my editing mode, then click on Start Lesson, and notice the lesson then appears.